Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your username in the Pinterest app. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest app. Now once it's loaded, what you can do is go into the saved section. You can see this option at the bottom. You have to click on it. And now in order to change the username, what you'll have to do is click on these three dots at the top. Now click on settings. In here you have to click on public profile. Now you can see your username, which is the third option right here. You can easily click on it, and now you can easily change it. So I will name it as TechInfo, and now I'll click on done. So if this it's saying that the username is already taken, so I will add some numbers to it, and now click on done. As you can see, the profile has been updated. Now I will go back, and now you can see my username has been updated successfully. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.